Okay, imagine this is your hand, okay, and you put it into a hydraulic press, and the press comes down, it comes down, it comes down, it comes down, and then it presses your hand. And what do you do then? Okay, everybody knows this TikTok trend with this. Yeah, but it isn't even funny, because when your hand would get into a hydraulic press, I think there is no hand afterwards anymore on your body. I hope you're doing great, guys. Today you have a smile on your face. Yeah, you had a great day so far. You're in a good mood. This is so important, guys. And if so, yeah, I'm very glad about that. So, guys, if you're new here, my name is Mats, and if you don't want your hand to get crushed into a hydraulic press, you only have to do one thing, okay? There's a trick against a damaged hand, and this trick is subscribe to the channel, because Mats subscribers are healthy. They have both hands. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. Only subscribe to that channel. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now we go into the clip. Okay, we have the first one. Okay, this is, a bottle made of aluminium. I think it's aluminium. Oh, this is, if you are of the same opinion, but these clips are kind of satisfying, okay? Oh, whoa, Rubik's Cube, that was fast. Okay, this is a stress ball, I think. Yes. Oh, I love these clips. Oh no, not everything, but not Thomas the Locomotive, okay? This is so sad. Oh no. Oh no. Daddy, where are all my toys? Yeah, I have made a new YouTube video. Okay, this is exciting, guys. I love these clips. But these guys who own these channels, yeah, what are they doing the whole day? They earn their money with crushing things. To put things between a hydraulic press. Okay, that was satisfying. Okay, you can use them any way. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is slime. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yes, this is so satisfying. Okay, next one. Oh, that was candles. Okay, toothpaste. Okay, I think you don't have to underrate the work behind these videos, because the trash and all the dirty thing, you have to clean it up every video, after every toy, after everything. Okay, this is a candle, and these, oh, this is so satisfying. It remembers me of that Play-Doh sticks. I don't know if you know Play-Doh in the US. And these, oh, I loved them when I was a kid. Then you have to do it with an iron, and then you have a finished thing. Okay, and candle again. Wax is very satisfying to do between that. Okay, this is, oh, I don't like these sweets. I don't eat them. Okay, what is this? I'm very curious about the force that has this machine. Oh, this, oof. Candle again. Okay. Oh, 3 coconuts. This press has to be so strong. You have to imagine how difficult it is to open up a coconut, and this hydraulic press with easiness opens 3 at a time. Oh no, no, that poor elephant. Don't cry, Alpaki, don't cry. You don't want to get between the, yeah, I can understand you, but you won't. Only if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you can get between these this hydraulic press, okay? So you only have to subscribe. It's one little thing. Okay, what happens next? Ooh. Daddy, where are all my toys? Here is the answer. And you can't play with them anymore. Oh no, not that little friend. He looks so kind. Yeah. Oh, Lego. But what is this for Lego? Okay, this is very soft plastic Lego. This is not that hard Lego. It wouldn't end in this result. Oh, yeah. I would do the same with my alarm in the morning. Exactly the same. This is so satisfying. Ooh, potato. A sweet potato. I don't know how to call it in English. Corn. Ooh. Oh, so juicy. Okay, guys, we make the greets for today. Greets go out in this video to the Sniper 101, to Anthony Donato, and the first comment was written by you. If you want to get greeted in the next video, only have to write a friendly comment here in the comments down below, or be the first comment in the next video. To become the first comment, you have to activate that notification bell. Guys, it's easy as that. Okay, we have nail polish. Color purple, very, very important. Now we want to see the real results. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay, he will destroy the nail polish. Okay, let's go. This hydraulic press is very slow. The other one was better. Okay, first, that was fast. Okay, and that was have fun to clean it up. Okay, now here we go, guys. Now he puts his hand in the hydraulic press, guys. I am very curious what happens. Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro. Yeah, we have seen a hand. Okay, of course. Okay, of course, this is not a real hand. Obvious. Did you hear his scream? Okay, but I think that would be exactly the same what would happen to your hand if you put that. It would break all your bones. Oh, this is so... Okay, this is a little bit disgusting to imagine that this is your hand. It would make crack sounds and all the bones were broken. Okay, this is the hand afterwards. Yeah, I think no bone would survive. Okay, guys, we have the old hydraulic press because I like it. Oh, no, not a Furby. I think Furby... What is his name? Furby, I think. No. Okay, Furby's dead. Okay, this is... the end of Furby. Oh no, this is so disgusting. Oh, a tennis ball. What happened? Oh, wow. Oh, broccoli. A tree. When I was a child, I have described it as tree. Yeah, I haven't said broccoli. I haven't only said mini trees. Okay, what is this? Don't know. Woohoo. Oh, this is so satisfying. This is like the crunchy slime. It's so satisfying, this stuff. Whew. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, rubber bands. Oh, this is so strong. Okay, is it real gold? I don't think so. Guys, I don't think so. Oh, no. Never, ever. Okay, that was fast. Is there something the hydraulic press can't destroy? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, there's the candle again. Oh, in a... Oh, this is stainless steel. Guys, no chance. No chance. Oh my gosh. Rubik's Cube again. No chance, bro. No chance, bro. No, he has a chance. Okay, he's very strong. No, of course he hasn't. What was inside there? Okay, this is very interesting. Wow, it destroys the whole card game. The card game explodes. No. Wow. Only wow, guys. But this one is another one because it has many small holes. The other one has a few big holes. Okay, a bus. No chance, bro. I can tell you. Yeah, I can see, I can tell. This thing will destroy everything, including your hand. Don't put your hand inside it, between it. Oh my gosh. This is a little bit scary to imagine to put something between it. Oh. Nice. Okay, guys. Now he's rich again. Okay, what is the next one? Oh, fake sushi. Maybe it will happen something special, but no, it won't happen something special. But maybe I have to react on these videos with the shredder. I think these clips are kind of satisfying and amazing too. Not hydraulic press. I think about these shredder videos. I love them, guys. I have only seen a few, so I have to react to them. with you guys, of course. Okay, I think this is enough. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please leave a like, guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here. Here is the 2 other videos, one recommend for you and my latest upload. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we see each other in the next video tomorrow, guys. It's daily, guys. I try to upload daily. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for 20,000 subscribers. This is really awesome, guys, and we see each other tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.